In this how-to video you will learn how to create and distribute digital ID with Omnibasis. You can integrate omniCustomers and omniPass products to create mobile wallet ID cards for your customers, which can be installed on any mobile device with one click. OmniPass is a mobile wallet platform to engage with your customers on the go. You can create and manage Apple Wallet passes and Google Pay passes with dynamic updates and lock screen notifications. Once integrated, you can easily manage thousands of individual digital IDs without having to update them one by one. All changes to the customer records are applied to all individual digital IDs installed on customer mobile devices. With our auto-push notification system, Omnibasis ensures that all passes get a notification if the pass needs to be updated. To complete the integration, simply connect omniCustomers to your mobile wallet design and send them a link to download the pass. There are 4 steps. Step 1 is to configure customer fields. Step 2 is to design mobile wallet pass. Step 3 is to map omniCustomers fields to mobile wallet pass. Step 4 is to distribute mobile wallet pass to your customers. First, we will configure omniCustomers fields to make sure they capture all the needed customer information. omniCustomers CRM solution provides a flexible way for you to manage your customer data. If there is a customer data that you capture and we do not have a field for it, you can configure it via Customer Custom Fields. 1. Navigate to omniCustomers, select Settings. 2. Select Customers section. 3. Under Custom Fields, click Add to configure flexible customer fields. For custom field details, enter required information. 1. Enter custom field name to serve as a label. 2. Name will be converted into the key, which is optional. 3. Select type for the custom field. 4. Mark field private if you want to make sure it is available only on edit screen. 5. Mark required to require that field value before data can be saved. 6. Click Save. When we edit a customer or import custom via file upload, we can update customer custom field. Next, we design our mobile wallet pass. Feel free to watch a detailed tutorial on how to create a mobile wallet pass. Here we do a brief introduction. Note that you want to use store card or loyalty card as the pass type. It provides you with the best flexibility to map customer records to a mobile wallet pass. Navigate to OmniPass, select Wallet Pass Designer. Click Create from the Action menu to create a new design. We will choose store card or loyalty card. Enter the name for this design. We use Dolphin ID card. Enter your business name. For use Dolphin Collective. Enter description. We use Managed Dolphin Collective membership IDs. Click Create to save our design so far. We can continue with our design. Select Layout section. Choose colors of your pass. Upload or select logo and icon. We also would like our customers to upload their photo if they have one to be added to the pass. It is an optional feature and provides extra personalization. We will use barcode to store member ID. Select Show Barcode Text to show barcode text on the pass. Next, we will build the field on the pass. Click Save to save your work so far. You can create and manage your pass fields to customize and personalize individual passes for every user. Click Fields section. Our first field will be in primary position and will show our customer name. Click Add to add new field. Select Primary in position, enter label, and turn on Hide label. Click Save to save this field. Now we are going to a second field to personalize this pass. Click Add, select Secondary, enter Department for label. We will leave value empty as this field will be provided by the customer. It is unique for each wallet pass and is required when pass is created. Click Save. As you can see, you can build and design your digital ID card in any way you want. There are many more options available in Wallet Pass Designer. Visit Mobile Wallet Pass how-to videos to learn more. Next, we will map our omniCustomers fields to mobile wallet design we just created. 1. Navigate to omniCustomers, select Settings. 2. Select omniPass section. 3. Click Pick to select an existing wallet pass design. 4. Turn on Generate automatically if you want mobile wallet pass to be sent to your customer when the new record is created. 5. Map mobile wallet pass field and customer fields. We map customer ID, name, department, and custom field member since. Now that we completed integration, we can distribute a digital ID via mobile wallet pass to our customers. If you're turned on automatic mobile pass creation in omniCustomer settings, pass will be created and emailed or sent via a link to a new customer. You can also navigate to Customer List, find a customer you want and select Wallet Pass from Options menu. A new wallet pass needs to be created if it does not exist before it can be sent out. If wallet pass already exists, you can email or text it to the customer. Navigate to omniCustomers, select Customers. Find a customer you want to send a digital ID. Select Options menu next to the customer record and click Wallet Pass. When new pass is created, all the customer fields are mapped with customer data available. In the future, if you update customer record, digital ID will be automatically updated. You can also export customers with a link to create or install the mobile wallet pass. You can manually distribute downloaded links to your customers. To manage and view all mobile wallet passes for your customer, navigate to OmniPass, select Wallet Passes. Make sure your mobile pass design is selected in the top left corner. The list of customers will be displayed. You can use Advanced Filter to narrow your list results. There are many more things you can do with integrating omniCustomers and other Omnibasis products. We will cover them in other how-to tutorials. This concludes how to create and distribute digital ID with Omnibasis. Thank you for watching Omnibasis how-to videos. To keep up to date, subscribe to our channel. If you have more questions, visit help.omnibasis.com.